hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So on today's video we are going to learn something new. So people hear me out. I just want to learn new things. Yeah, I know there are other things to learn, but why? But why this? Because you guys will learn something new with me and have fun. So important notice, I'm not going to say the C word. Instead I will do this, and if the V word also comes out, I'm just going to do this. And guys, I'm no scientist. I have gathered this information from the net. So let's get right into the video. Continues to sweep across the world with confirmed cases reported in more than 80 countries, has mutated. What is mutation? Has killed 3,200 plus people worldwide and infected more than 98,000 plus people, 85 countries. In 85 countries, work on a vaccine has been underway for weeks. It may not be ready over a year. Has mutated. Complete testing matters when it comes to developing a vaccine. Is a fact. Has mutated. Scientists have confirmed that has evolved strains, the L type and the S type. The latter is the old version of the and appears to be milder and less infectious. The S and L mutation were in the protein spike, said Dr. Stephen Griffin, the West Institution of Medical Research and the chair of the division at the Microbiology Society. The spike plays a key part in the infection process and is what vaccines target. Around 35 plus labs and institutions are developing a vaccine within are ready for human trials next month, और हो भी गया होगा, because it says 1 month back this may be done. I'm doing this now. Please watch this video. Yes, shall we continue? Dr. Griffin said developers would need to test if their prototype vaccines can still neutralize with the mutation, which may not be a huge hurdle sorry, you guys know what is hurdle. I'm an idiot. So as the variation may be fairly limited, genetic analysis of a man in US WHO tested positive for in January showed it is possible to be infected with both the mutations. Virologist Professor Jonathan Ball said the mutation could hinder vaccine manufacturing, at that the scientist findings would need to be studied with the larger sample of cases, as the data set used was small. Professor Ball, at that moment we don't have evidence that the has changes with regards to the disease severity or infectivity, so we need to be cautious when interpreting these kind of computers based studies. Instead, interesting as they might be, the study analyzed DNA from 300 infected people and reported that the S type was taking over, perhaps as a result of severe lockdown. ये तो डंडे पड़ेंगे. Measures imposed by authorities. New mutation was also found from a Brazilian man, but London School of Hygiene and Tropical Medicines Dr. David Heyman believes a vaccine should still work on the new strain. He said nothing has occurred that is major, and this appears to be satire. Small mutations are normal, especially with RNA. We look for the parts of that are more sustained, for the mutations are minor and do not pose as a significant threat, but this thing does. To vaccination, however, that could change if the continues to develop a new strain. What is mutation? Can undergo changes in its RNA or DNA. These changes to the protein that the gene codes can in some cases lead to resistance to antiviral drugs. Changes to the genome in the influenza may result in pandemics. Different strains of with a certain type of genome can shuffle and combine genes. This leads to the production of offspring that have their own characteristics. Genetic recombination is the process by which a strand of DNA is broken and then joined. I don't smoke, please. To the end of different DNA molecules. This can happen when infect cells at the same time. So my Atmanirbhar people, if you love this video, do not forget to like, share it with your friends and family. If you learn something new, like this video, and stay safe, stay at home, help others, don't go outside or you will get Patter's hair shot. I'll see you guys in another video. Chalo. The Wales Institution of Research. The Wales Institution of Medical and Research. The Wales Institution of